Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Heli dual fuel pneumatic forklift, model number CPQID18KU1H. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, give us a call right away. It has a base capacity of 3,500 pounds, and it runs on dual fuel, so in this case that's gasoline and LP. You'll see here that it has four-way hydraulics, and this fourth function here is an open function for whatever you might need it for. While we're on this side, I'll show you that it has a cup holder as well. Now, this has a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. This forklift currently has 48-inch standard tapered forks, but if you need a different size, we can make that happen. Now, these tires are black traction solid pneumatic tires, and coming up here to the front, we have these ultra bright LED headlights, as well as, let's get our battery on there, as well as these combination lights here on the top that have your running lights as well as your turn signals. Now, coming inside of the operator compartment, we have lots more features, including that convex rear view mirror up there. We also have a steering wheel knob and a fully adjustable steering column. The seat here is a fully adjustable full suspension seat that adjusts with your tilt and forwards and backwards and with your suspension. And of course, we have that orange high visibility safety belt and a paper clip over here as well for any paperwork. And back there on that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with the horn that keeps a horn at your operator's thumb even when they're backing up. It's a great safety feature to have. And on the back, we have lots of lights. You'll see that we have those combination lights that show your brakes as well as your backup, and you can hear that backup alarm, and our turn signals as well. And of course, we have that movable magnetic yellow strobe that can be repositioned as you need. Now, as I mentioned, this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.